right away across is a story that we've been tracking through the day. ABVP is protesting now against Delhi police demanding action in 9th February anti-India sloganeering that happened last year at JNU. It has been 1 year. They've said no action has been taken. Even the charge sheet has not been filed. There are reports in the media that the videos of anti-India slogans raised by student leaders of communist organizations have been found authentic. ABVP members demand that all those who raise such slogans in JNU should be prosecuted as soon as possible as per the law. And this is a demand which they have raised. Those raising slogans should be prosecuted. India Today has been able to access the probe report as the cops are yet to file the charge sheet, according to which it is Umar Khalid and Anirban who've been accused of sedition. Kanhaiya Kumar, the Jawaharlal Nehru Students' Union president at that time, has been given a clean chit as far as sedition is concerned, according to sources which have told India Today. 9 persons have been named who are outsiders who were involved in sloganeering. They've also said Kanhaiya Kumar reached the spot after the sloganeering had happened. They also said that voice samples from the spot of anti-India chants do not match with Kanhaiya Kumar. Now, after that, ABVP has been protesting against Delhi police, demanding action in the JNU case. They've said at least the charge sheet should be filed by now. They have demanded action against the student leaders of the communist organizations they believe who were involved in raising anti-India slogans. We try and get you more details, but this protest march which took place outside Delhi Police headquarters, you had the ABVP students who were lining up there. This is the second major protest that we've seen after Delhi University Ramjas protest. And also, let me go across to my colleague Atir, who is joining us. So Atir, give us more details of what the protesters have been demanding.
Well, you see, a day after the students had protested against ABVP, ABVP carried out a protest today at the same spot outside Delhi Police headquarters. Now, what they're demanding is that the police should take action against basically what happened in JNU in February 2016. They allege that there were anti-national slogans were shouted out, and the police needs to take action. It's not just police, they are saying.
Yes.
All the other agencies also need to regulate, you know, such elements who are talking about these anti-national sentiments. They're also talking about, you know, curbing communism. So that was basically the pitch of ABVP today. But the numbers weren't very large, though their students were quite agitated and they were quite aggressive in their protests.
All right, Atir, we've been also reporting about the probe report for the JNU incident. What are your sources indicating? Even as the ABVP mounts pressure, when is the Delhi police likely to file the charge sheet in the JNU incident?
Well, you see, Devina, the police, Delhi police is treading very cautiously in this case because they know that this charge sheet will be under immense scrutiny, and therefore they're taking their own time. They say that there were certain loose ends which needed to be tied up. There were some persons who need to be questioned, their statements to be recorded. Moreover, they have given you know, the entire charge sheet draft for legal counsel because they want to take the legal advice as well. But my sense is that this charge sheet won't be filed in the near future, not at least until the parliament session is over. The police wants the dust to settle down. The campuses are disturbed, both DU and JNU. So it appears they'll wait for a while, but they say they have enough evidence and they're going to file a charge sheet soon.
But Atir, what are the inside details that you're getting of the probe report? At the moment, India Today has been able to access that probe report about the 3 main accused.
Well, you see, as far as the investigation is concerned, the police say that it's still underway. And what we are learning from our sources in the special cell is that the police have clear-cut evidence against Anirban and Omar Khalid, who were raising slogans at the JNU campus. But as far as Kanhaiya is concerned, it seems that there is no conclusive evidence. The police, it appears, is going to leave it on the discretion of the court whether to initiate action against him or not. However, the senior police officers are not committing. They are saying the investigation is still underway.
All right, be with me, Atir, getting some more news at this point of time.